our yogurt. You gonna be on camera? No. Okay, she won't be on camera. But we're gonna eat our yogurt and then go to the grocery store because we need to eat healthy. And yeah, while we eat this, it's gonna be a small break. So just enjoy my previous video, my previous vlog. I'm gonna put some inserts right now. So recently I just blocked a friend off of all my social media, and of course we're not friends anymore. And it really threw me for a loop, this situation. Basically she was talking about me. She said that my hair is now, that little comment, it did hit me hard because I feel like I was a good friend to her. She always used to say I used to motivate her to start a business, to lose weight, and I was here for it. I love to motivate people. So when I found out that she was talking about me, it just threw me for a loop. I don't understand. I was nothing but kind to her, and this situation brought me straight back to high school. When I was in high school, I used to love natural hair. I used to love the big afros. I loved the wash and go look. And I did one particular day, we was at a retreat and I had my hair in an afro. And these two girls I used to hang out with, they talked about my hair. They talked about what I was wearing. And the outfit I was wearing that particular day was an outfit that my sister gave me. And I really liked it. So they talked about me so bad, saying I need a makeover. They wanted to make me over and all that. It hurt my feelings, of course. So anyway, fast forward to today, that brought me back to high school. It made me sing the same emotion, just about that. It gave me the same emotions. And I don't understand why women try to put down women so much. I don't have time to talk about people. I don't talk about people like so. I really don't understand where this came from. I am not my hair. I can wear my hair in afro. I can do a wash and go. I can wear my natural hair. I can wear it in a ponytail. I can even get my hair done every 2 weeks if I wanted to. You know, that's me. Instead of worrying about how my hair looks, maybe you should worry about why your man keeps contacting me. Apparently he likes my hair. That's all I gotta say about that. And I can be petty too. I just choose not to go down that road. But all I'm saying is I lost a friend, but she wasn't a good friend anyway to begin with, because I don't want to be around people who was gonna sit there and talk about me, and I felt like I was helping her. You know what I mean? Like, I like to help people. I love especially helping women better their lives. I want people to start a business. You know, so I'm like, I don't have time for that. But I did want to address it, so it's addressed. And I'm just gonna let it go. just leaving the gym. I'm at the grocery store right now. I tried to record, but it was kind of difficult when I'm by myself. Usually I'm at the gym with my mom and she records for me. But I'm back on the keto diet, really strict this time. When I was on vacation for the past 2 months, I was eating and drinking. If you guys did not see that vlog, I put that in the description box. But it was bad. But now I am back on my diet. Like, oh my God, I said diet and I have bread. But like I said, on the keto diet, it's low carbs as in fruits. Vegetables, I'm sorry, okay. Okay, cut, let me do that over. So on keto, it's low carbs as in vegetables, but I can't get rid of carbs in my life. So as an alternative, I use this type of bread, and it's only 40 calories per slice. November 11th, okay. So that's why I'm like, it's not the best bread, but I can't get rid of it. So I'm just gonna share with you guys what I get at the grocery store. Almost got hit by a car, y'all. Let's go.